Okay, so what we're doing here is returfing this golf green. The soil profile itself is in really good shape, but what we want to do is basically replace the turf with a brand new variety that's going to be better against disease, get longer roots, so it's going to be healthier, it's going to be denser against weed populations, so it's going to be lower maintenance and produce a better surface as a putting golf green. So to do that, what we've done is we've sprayed out the existing turf, so we've used glyphosate in cannonade there. Because it's a cooch green, we needed the extra cannonade. We've turf cut it to make it easier to pick up, so we've taken the top inch off, and now the excavator is just picking it all up. So very similar process if you're working with your home lawn. You'll want to spray out the existing turf, make sure that's all nice and dead, then strip it all out, bring in some soil to level out any irregularities in the surface, and then put some new turf in, making sure it's a really good variety suited to that lawn area. Okay, so now that we've stripped the turf, we're going to add a layer of soil just to fill in any imperfections. What we're going with here is a nice washed medium sand. That's very similar to the existing profile, so it won't cause any layering when we add it on top. Then it's just adding some MP Terramax, which you might know as lawn play underlay, and then laying some turf on top. Okay, so we're back here at 7 AM on day 2, nice and early to get in before the heat. What we've done so far is we've raked the soil out, put some MP Terramax, which is the perfect turf starter, so you would know it as lawn play underlay. We're now laying the turf, so we've started with a ring around the edge. That'll give us a nice thick turf edge. That'll prevent it drying out, which is quite common on the edges, so you don't want to leave little bits on the edges. And then we're laying the turf across the slope. The reason we do that is we're obviously going to be putting a lot of water on this to get it going, and we don't want that washing out down the slope. So laying across it is a great way to prevent that. So once we've laid the turf, we'll give it a good deep water and a little bit of a light roll with a water roller, and that'll help it bed in nicely. So here's one we prepared earlier. As you can see, this green was done last year, so this is its first full summer growing in, and it's looking fantastic. New hybrid cooch green, much better to play on, lower inputs and less maintenance. Exactly what we're after with the greens we're doing today.